Hello students, today we are going to solve third problem of aggregate. Question is given as which one of the following aggregate gives maximum strength in concrete? Options are rounded aggregate, next one is elongated aggregate, another one is flaky aggregate, and the last one is cubical aggregate. Now, flaky aggregate gives maximum strength in concrete because it will develop a strong bond between the cement and the aggregate. That's why the correct option is option C, that is flaky aggregate. That is all about this problem. Thank you very much, students.